Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by confirming accounts and connectivity. Sign into WeChat on both phones with the same WeChat ID or have the sender logged in and ready. Once done, enable Wi-Fi and Bluetooth and put both devices on the same local network to speed transfer. Make sure battery levels are sufficient and free up at least 1 GB on the target device. Now open WeChat, tap Me right arrow settings, right arrow chats, right arrow chat log migration or transfer, and select the source device to begin the export handshake. You now choose what to move. Tap Chat Log Migration and pick specific chats or all chats, and toggle media if you need photos and videos. Once selected, WeChat generates a QR code or pairing code. Use the target device to scan or confirm that code, which establishes a direct encrypted link. While transfer runs, keep both screens awake and avoid switching Wi-Fi networks. Pause large downloads and close background apps that could drop the connection, so the progress bar completes without interruptions. You finish by waiting for the completion confirmation, then reopen several transferred chats and media to verify integrity. If something is missing, do not overwrite. Retry the transfer using smaller chat batches or use WeChat for Windows/Mac to backup and restore via a PC. Make sure both apps are updated to the same version, storage on the target is sufficient, and your network stayed stable. If transfers fail repeatedly, reboot both devices and attempt the QR pairing again. This resolves most handshake and timeout failures.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.